All right, y'all, so here we are. I don't know if I've seen such sneaker hype drop back to back to back like I'm seeing right now, but we're in the thick of it. And we're going to talk about the Grail that just dropped last week, the Grail that's dropping this Saturday, and another dope hype release that's dropping tomorrow. But before we unpack all that, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down below to stay on top of the content as we drop it. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All right, so now we are talking about last week. We just saw the return of a sneaker that pretty much broke sneakers into like the pandemonium hype era, a lot would say, right? We're talking about the Nike Air Foamposite Galaxy. Pair just touched down from the Nike sneakers drop. I'm gonna talk about that in a second. And today we saw the return of the Air Jordan 12 flu game. We're seeing reservations being able to get locked in at Finish Line, JD Sports. Yesterday for in-store, today for the ship-to-me option. We know that Foot Locker and Flex, you can lock in those now. The raffles are still open, and those release actually on Saturday. And then we know tomorrow is the big boy that everybody has been looking forward to, and we're right there on the doorstep. People's, PTSD is already kicking in from the hype online releases of the past. When you get cooked by the bots and everybody's mad, or hopefully a few people hit, we're gonna see what it's all gonna bring. All right, but I'm gonna start off the whole conversation today. We're gonna talk about this because the sneaker cycle happens so fast, man. It's like we just had a monster Grail drop, and I'm like, man, that happened, but so fast with so much of other stuff coming. Do we even get a chance to enjoy the Galaxy Foamposite? Now, I'm not going to get too deep into this discussion of this shoe. To be honest, I grew up in the Baltimore area, right? The DMV, Mid-Atlantic area. But foams were never totally my jam, and I'm gonna give you a different take where I'm not going to, fall down at the foot of the Foamposite. It's cool. I don't love it, and I'm going to say that still today. I mean, the shoe itself, this release, the box is dope. I know these came back in the day in like a brown cardboard, but this new Galaxy box with the glossy Nike on it is dope. I actually hit for a homie in a size 13. I'm an 11. I went for an 11 and a half because I wanted to get a pair in the collection because it's such a monumental shoe, iconic shoe, even though it's not my favorite. But that sold out on those Sneakers app. And if you've been here before, you heard the story. I had got the L for the 11 and a half, pivoted to a 12. That sold out. Then it said go back in again. I went in for a 13 and got the W. So that was a shock to be able to still cop something 3 entries later. But anyway, if you haven't seen this yet, the box is dope. You get this Galaxy tissue paper inside. All right, Galaxy tissue paper, and then the white tissue paper, and then you get the shoe itself. And I know for many of y'all out there, this is one that a lot of people wanted. A lot of people caught L's because it was a very high in demand shoe. It's such a classic, iconic shoe, right? It broke. The pandemonium that broke out in 2012 when this shoe originally dropped was crazy. It's been on the news, all the news clips from back then was serious. And this shoe released back in 2012 in the NBA All-Star game. Penny Hardaway wore this, of course. And during that time, Nike dropped the whole All-Star Galaxy lineup. Had a Galaxy theme for KG. Kevin Garnett had his shoe. You got the Nike flight tag, please remove before flight. Kobe Bryant had a Galaxy kind of theme, but this was the most popular of the bunch. And this shoe, I mean, it is beautiful. It is a very pretty shoe. The Galaxy motif on it is dope. The 1 cent on the back is always iconic, right? You got the glow-in-the-dark outsole, which is nice. And again, not my biggest, these, they don't move me 100% like, oh yeah, gotta have this in the collection, I gotta rock them. But it's a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe. For the homie, I know a lot of buddies that, were like super mad they didn't get this shoe. And, I know people are paying some heavy tax for it right now. I think resale prices on this shoe right now for 13 is like $450. They're about $425. So prices have come down in the last week or so. But dope shoe, man. Dope. I'm not going to do a whole lot with it. Compared it to the previous and all the changes and things like that. Because again, I'm not a Foamposite aficionado. I picked up the DMV foams that released here in the Baltimore area and DC area at Social Status. Actually picked those up for a homie as well. So had some foams come through through my hands, but I haven't kept any. So we'll see if I do add ones to the collection in the near future. But anyway, very dope. Let me know if y'all like those. If you copped, was it on your list for 2025? We heard that was coming back. I know a lot of people were super excited about it. Like I said earlier, the Flu Game 12s are back. And of course, iconic shoe, Michael Jordan playing through. Really wasn't flu, it was more food poisoning. And I told a buddy today, I was like, I think it was probably more like drunk and gambling and doing all that kind of thing, because those guys back in the day partied hard. They would play, Michael Jordan was playing ball, smoking cigars, drinking, and then they go out and he dropped 50. It was crazy. It's a different time, different era. But the next day, supposedly, the story goes that, the opponent, they stayed in a hotel and the city they were staying in, somebody delivered them some pizza and did something to the pizza. And Michael had like the stomach illness the next day. Played through it though, still had a monster game. And every break he just hands on his knees and he was hurting bad. But flu games this week, iconic pair, dope, the black and the red. Is that a must cop for you? I know a lot of people on those, we're hearing a lot of words that those are going to be limited, that pairs this year are not going to be massive GRs like we've seen in the past, and they will be similar to stock like the metallic 5s. Now, we still don't have a number on those yet, but if you can secure them, your early reservations, JD Finish Line, hopefully you're able to do that today and get your flex entries in, your boost them up. All right, so that's the other one. And then the last, we're talking about the Air Jordan 1 Union release, right? So we have been 7 years since 2018 when these dropped. The Air Jordan 1 Union, all we wanted Union to do since the Black Toe and the Blue Storm drop was bring that shoe back, right? Do a new iteration of it. And since then we got Air Jordan KOs, we got Field Generals, we got Dunks, we got Union 4s, which I like. We got the Union 1 that they didn't give us this. They gave us the Beffy's Beauty Supply with the stitch down the side, which I just can't get with those at all. And what else did we get from Union? We got a Cortez. Oof. So they've been doing some other things. But finally, we got these coming back. Chicago base with the shadow top. It's going to be dope. We've seen photos of it. I know I've seen a billion pictures and things of it already. A lot of early videos out there and things like that, unboxings. But it's going to be a tough one, y'all. It's a global release. We don't know stock. We hear stock is heavy. But if it's a global release, does it even matter? It's going to be pandemonium getting online tomorrow at the site. I think it's 23, I'm back. Something Union 23, Union Jordan, I'm back. Look online. You'll have that information. I'll post it here on the video as well. But it's going to be a lot. You're going to have to get in quick, get in the cart, get something in your cart ASAP, and get in queue. Expect the queues to be very long because they're going to have so many people. And, we're expecting it's going to be a domain change anyway from the Union kind of the announcement page that's up right now, which is good. And hopefully it doesn't leak crazy early and resellers and the bots get cooking before we can get in there. I know the last release for the Jordans, they did it was like a human identifier item you had to add to your cart, and that threw a lot of people off, but it also kept the bots from being able to to cop. So that's something. Look out for that tomorrow. Make sure you quick, but you got to be able to read fast, right? Read fast, get in, get whatever you need in your cart, answer a question if there's a question, do your captcha. If you got to draw a box around a cat or an airplane, do it slowly. Don't do it too fast because it'll think you're a bot and it'll keep making you like in the cycle where you just keep doing it over and over and over and over again. Man, I lost so many pairs of shoes having to do that because I'm so excited and rushing so fast to get in the queue that I'm like, do my box, boom, boom. And then it's like another airplane pops up, another cat pops up, around a bike or around whatever. So take your time, but be swift, but be cautious. Take your time and good luck. I hope there's a lot of W's for us tomorrow and a lot of W's here domestically. Because the global launch, I don't know what that looks like, man. I mean, if it's just going to be on the web for the world, it's going to be a tough one. And I know a lot of people are, people are preparing to pay resale for that shoe. I have lost and founds. I like the shoe a lot. I don't love it. So if I don't get it, and I was telling another buddy that today, if I miss, I miss, because we got so much coming this year, man. It's like every other day is a new hype drop that's on the way. So good luck tomorrow. Hope y'all get it. If you do want to pick secondary, go for it. Be careful out there, because the factory's already got mad copies of these shoes out there on these streets, and they look pretty much spot on. So be careful out there, and I will see y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that notification bell on your way out, and make sure you sub up to the channel. Make sure you also check in on the IG and TikTok, whatever, everything at Real Daddy C. I'll post updates as I get them in the stories and all of that. And I will see y'all on the next. Peace.